Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to make a schedule for dark mode on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Alright guys, so without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. And now the first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone first. And then here you can scroll down a little bit, and here you can go to display and brightness. You can click for it, and then here you can see the schedule from the dark mode. You can click for it, and then here you can activate the schedule by custom schedule. You can custom it, or you can also make it scheduled from sunset to sunrise. So the device location need to determine your sunset and sunrise time. So here I wanna activate my location first, and yeah, and you can also custom the schedule for light theme or dark theme like this. Okay, now I'm going to schedule my light theme is about 7 AM and my dark theme is about 1 PM. Click OK, and yeah, so this is the schedule of my dark mode in this Infinix Smart 8 phone. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to make schedule for dark mode on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.